Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Ki nong yalam ka National Movement of All Pension Schemes hne ka sngi kilapan long ya ka jingya kandu lang bat ki nok tray ka sarkar hamal ki hagaba kini ki nong yalam kila Pynshai Paidbah ya ka Jingdonkam banyo ya ka Paidbah Tymmen. Hakani ka jingya kandu ka baning kong jong ka all Meghalaya new pension schemes subscribers meet lawan man ya shimbenta da ki nok tray sarkar. Habakran na kani kasngi o National Media Secretary of National Movement of All Pension Schemes o Manjit Seng Patel ulayat ho baya ka NPS lapan tray kam na doos nam arajar sao nakabanta baro kinong tray jong ka sarkar pedeng bat suki-suki bun ki jila ki shimbat pantray kam ya kani ka policy. Ulayat ho rubaw wan siya ka jila Meghalaya ban pensot ho habaya day bat ka NPS namar ka NPS kamlong kababiyang nakabanta kinong tray. Ulaban rap na kabaong baka NPS kam ay kita gijingkular habaya day baka yo ka kot haka lang kasalang ni bat ka Paidbah Tymmen. Nakataka daw ki Paidbah ki kando jing ladadan ki baklat no nakayeng ki bahayeng kimyo jing mentoy Ukumar wala kentuy menteri rang ba ukandot ki sangma ban ngap ya ka sorjung ki nong tray nakajalla Meghalaya bat ban pentray kambiang ya ka all pension schemes.
Manjit Singh Patel and from Delhi for the National Movement for Old Pension Scheme. The NPS was implemented in 2004 for all the employees covered by central government, and slowly many states adopted this policy. I am here today for Meghalaya NPS employees awareness against NPS because NPS is not a justified scheme for employees. It doesn't provide any type of guarantee of social income, old age security. That's why people are suffering, their families are suffering in this scheme, because if anybody dies, their family don't get any type of benefits like DCRG, death cum retirement gratuity and family pension, etc. So that we are here to say to demand the old pension scheme benefits from central from Meghalaya government to provide these more than 20,000 people who's working under NPS in Meghalaya state, and many employees have been died in NPS. Their families are still suffering very much, and it is very unjustified and unbalanced this scheme, and their monies are going up and down in share market. So it is not good to invest the money, the huge corpus in share market of employees. Then we are demanding, we are appealing to Meghalaya government, Shri Konrad Sangma Sahib, that please listen the voice of your 20,000 NPS employees of Meghalaya, and please take to stay to restore the old pension scheme. Take the decisions, take the steps for restoration of old pension scheme for Meghalaya NPS employees. Surely we want to send our message through Nmops. We want to say to Meghalaya government that more than 20,000 families are suffering from NPS, and it is a very big mass. They can change the political image, change the political criteria of Meghalaya, because 60 seats for legislative assembly in Meghalaya, and employees are more than 500 per legislative assembly seats. If they want only and only old pension scheme, they will support that particular party who will support the old pension scheme restoration movement.